Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share details of notification released by Railway Recruitment Board. There are multiple vacancies in various positions, so we are going to look at all those details in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description. You can also find this on Railway Recruitment Board's career page. Here you can see there are multiple recruitments: postgraduate teacher, commerce male. We'll just look at the relevant recruitments for legal domain. So first relevant recruitment is on number 27, which is of chief law assistant. The pay is 44,900. This is basic pay. This is 7th pay level as per 7th commission. Minimum age is 18, maximum age is 43. Minimum education qualification required is university degree in law with 3 years standing practice as a pleader at bar. Serving railway employees who are law graduates are also eligible to apply, provided they have served for at least 5 years in any branch of railway administration. Vacancies earmarked for direct recruitment should also be available to the railway magistrate. Then the second kind of vacancy is for public prosecutor at number 28. Here, graduate with bachelor degree in law from recognized university with 5 years standing as an advocate at bar is mentioned. Then there is another designation of staff and welfare inspector. Here your age should be between 18 and 36. Graduation plus any of the following qualification is required, and here also LLB with papers in labor laws is mentioned. So these were all the 3 relevant recruitments for law graduates. Then coming to the number of vacancies, the vacancy table is as per Railway Recruitment Board in various areas: RRB Ahmedabad, RRB Ajmer. So here you can see for staff and welfare inspector in RRB Ahmedabad there are 3 vacancies. In RRB Ajmer there is 1 vacancy. For chief law assistant in RRB Bangalore there are 2 vacancies. In RRB Bhubaneswar there are vacancies for both chief law assistant and staff and welfare inspector. Then in RRB Bilaspur for chief law assistant there are 3 vacancies. For staff and welfare inspector, there are 5 vacancies. For public prosecutor, there are 2 vacancies. Then for RRB Chandigarh, staff and welfare inspector, there are 2 vacancies. For RRB Chennai, chief law assistant, public prosecutor, staff and welfare inspector, all 3 vacancies are there. There are 2 vacancies for staff and welfare inspector. For chief law assistant, 4 vacancies, and for public prosecutor there are 12 vacancies. So you can check out these all vacancies of various RRBs and you can see which RRB you want to apply for. We'll look at the other details of the recruitment now. Let's look at the important dates. The date of publication is 6th of January. Opening date of online registration is 7th of January. Closing date is 6th of February. Date for application fee payment is 7th to 8th of February. Date for modification or for corrections in the application form is 9th February to 18th February. Candidates should ensure that they possess or fulfill all eligibility conditions as on the closing date for online submission of applications. Candidates waiting for final results of prescribed education qualification, whose final results will be declared after the closing date of online submission of applications, should not apply. So your final result should be declared as on 6th of February 2025. You should be eligible as on 6th of February 2025. Then further details are mentioned. Candidates who submit more than 1 application will be summarily rejected and will be debarred from all future examinations of railway recruitment boards. Then age limit. The lower and upper age limit is specified in the vacancy table as on 1st of January 2025. Fees can be paid by candidates through online mode only. You can only apply online. Coming to the recruitment process, candidates should apply only through online mode. Candidates can apply to only 1 RRB and only 1 common online application. The selection of RRB once exercised shall be final. Application to more than 1 RRB by a candidate will lead to rejection of all the applications. The recruitment process will involve single computer-based test, performance test or teaching skill test, translation test and DV medical examination. However, RRB reserves the right to conduct additional computer-based tests. Now the section-wise number of questions and marks for all posts except junior translator Hindi are as detailed below. So this will be your computer-based test format. There will be professional ability questions, 50 questions of 50 marks, general awareness questions, 15 questions of 15 marks, then reasoning, general intelligence and reasoning, 15 questions of 15 marks. Mathematics, which is your quantitative aptitude, 10 questions of 10 marks. General science, 10 questions of 10 marks. So total 100 questions of 100 marks. Each question will be of 1 mark. There is negative marking, which is 1/3. Negative marking of 1/3 shall be deducted for each wrong answer. Then brief mention of syllabus is there. For mathematics, number systems, PODMAS, all this is in your syllabus. For general intelligence and reasoning, this is a part of your syllabus. For general awareness, knowledge of current affairs, Indian geography, all this is part of your syllabus. For general science, physics, chemistry, life science. Minimum percentage of marks for eligibility in various communities is 40% for unreserved and EWS, 30% for SC and OBC non-creamy layer, and 25% for ST. Then there is performance test or teaching skill test, which is apart from computer based test of 100 marks, but this is only for teachers. For postgraduate teachers, trained graduate teachers, physical training instructor, primary teachers, assistant teacher, junior school, the recruitment will be CPT and then teaching skill test. For the post like public prosecutor, chief law assistant, staff and welfare inspector, this performance test or teaching test is not there. There is also details of how you can apply, you can check that out. So these are all the details that are specified in this recruitment. There are multiple vacancies. For you, there are 3 designations which are relevant: chief law assistant, public prosecutor, and staff and welfare inspector. Now, if you have any queries, any doubts, you can mention that in the Google form that is attached in the description. You can also mention that in the comment below. We'll see whether we can guide you and we can come forward with a course for this recruitment. If you are in need of any material, do let us know. Fill the Google form in the description. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.